Listen, but soon, back to school. So we love having craft expert Denise Wild on the show because you always bring unique and cool ideas, and we're focusing on back to school and some things to get kids ready for the classroom.
I have some good stuff, some DIYs, things everyone will love. I'm just going to straighten this out so it doesn't topple over.
All right.
Okay, so let's start off with the lockers. You can easily decorate and dress up your locker. This is my little faux locker here. Just add some colorful paper, whether it's wrapping paper, construction paper. Take all of your supplies, spray paint them so they're the same color, and then you instantly have a gorgeous locker upgrade, which is just so wonderful.
How are these sticking?
Well, you know, this is a little craft magic, but usually it would be magnets on your locker. Then include some Kleenex brand facial tissue. It's the softest. We have to protect the little noses. They come in great bundle packs too. So, and then beautiful packaging, which will match your new locker.
Anything for the smell of the locker? I just remember this when I opened the door.
Okay, I don't know. You might need some extra help in there. Okay, so next up, this is a great DIY project. Very easy to do. You're going to take 2 plates and create your own little like bathroom accessory station. This is just a glass in between that I glued on. You could spray paint everything, add some extra color, but then you have a nice little display for your bathroom for getting ready. You know, just a nice little 2-tier DIY thing.
These are eyebrows?
Is that for your eyebrows?
Is that what they are?
Well, eyelashes. And then for back to school, make sure you pick up some Oxy cleaning acne pads. These are safe, effective, easy to use, great way to clean out your pores, help treat and prevent acne. It comes in 3 different formulas, and they have a contest right now called Oxy Prize, and they're helping to support Canadian youth who are making a difference in the community. You can go to oxy.ca to enter and to learn more.
Making lunches, we're back there.
Yes, we are. And this is a really creative new way. It's like a twist on a sandwich. So this is actually apple slices. Then I have meat in here, I have cheese, and it's just something nice. You know, we're talking about picky eaters. Give them something new, something interesting. I used Butterball extra lean turkey ham inside, so it has less fat than regular ham. It's super delicious. My whole family loves it. You can eat it cold.
Is it edible right now?
I mean, you know, I've been here for a while, so. How delicious is that? It has been here for a while, Tim. It is good, I promise you. Okay, next up, here's a way to save time for your families in the morning. You can create, here, spit it down back here.
Fine.
There you go. Okay, so this is, you can make yourself lunch bins. This way, kids and families can pack their own lunches, write little labels on it, pick one.
And help themselves whatever they want.
Exactly. So they can prep their own lunches in the morning, saves you time, helps give them independence. I included the Quaker Chewy granola bars in here. They're really delicious. They're made in Canada in a peanut-free facility, 100% Canadian Quaker oats.
They have to be peanut-free if you're going to school.
Yes, exactly. That's true.
Last one.
Finally, let's decorate your water bottle, your backpack, your lunch bag with little charms. So this is from a little, remember Shrinky Dink art back in the day? This is a shrink art.
I don't, but I love the name.
Okay. We'll talk about that later. Okay, so you can make these little bag charms, super fun to do. This is a great craft project for kids, and then you can decorate and dress up your accessories. All of this is from Staples Canada, your go-to destination for everything back to school. And, you know, they just have such great products, great value, great prices.
Every time you come on, you got something new and exciting. And I don't know, what's going on in that mind of yours? It's fantastic. Happy back to school. Great seeing you. Okay, good ideas. Granola bars. Yummy. We'll be back more Morning Live after this.
Bye.
Bye.